Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a stunning blog using Canva. And trust me, you don't need any coding skills or design experience to pull this off. Whether you're starting a personal blog, a business website, or a portfolio, Canva makes it incredibly easy. So let's dive right in. Start by heading to the Canva homepage and typing blog website in the search bar. You'll see a variety of templates ready to use, catering to different styles and layouts, from minimalist designs to bold, colorful options. There are templates for food blogs, travel journals, fashion sites, business blogs, and so much more. Take a moment to browse through these options. Think about your blog's purpose and your target audience. Pick the one that fits your vision and speaks to the vibe you want to create. Click on your chosen template to open the editor. This is where the magic happens. Here you can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand or style perfectly. Stick to a consistent color palette. Usually 2 to 3 main colors work best. This creates a cohesive, professional look throughout your blog. You can use Canva's color palette generator if you need inspiration. Now, add your headings and text blocks. Make sure your content is clear and engaging for your readers. Break up long paragraphs, use subheadings, and keep your writing conversational, just like we're chatting right now. If you're enjoying this guide and finding it helpful, hit the like button now and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow, and you won't miss more Canva tutorials and design tips coming your way. Next, let's update the visuals. Replace existing images with your own photos, or select from Canva's massive photo library. They have millions of high-quality free stock images to choose from. Use high-quality images that align with your content to create a cohesive and attractive blog. Make sure your images are crisp, well-lit, and relevant to what you're writing about. Consistency in your photo style also makes a huge difference in creating a polished, professional look. You can also add elements like icons, shapes, and graphics from Canva's library to make your blog even more visually interesting. Don't be afraid to experiment with filters and adjustments and make everything match your aesthetic. Before you finalize, use Canva's preview function to see how your blog looks on different devices: desktop, tablet, and mobile. This ensures your readers have a great experience no matter how they access your content. Once you're happy with everything, you can download your blog pages or publish directly through Canva if you're using their website builder features. And that's it. With Canva's intuitive tools, you've now created a personalized, eye-catching blog that's ready to captivate your audience. The best part, you can easily update and refresh your blog whenever you want without starting from scratch. Remember, your blog is an extension of your brand and personality, so have fun with it and let your creativity shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below telling me what kind of blog you're creating, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials. Happy blogging, and I'll see you in the next video.